Find of Lands record, the one that came out in 2003. This one's about missing home. This is called The Sound of Home. Upstairs room, TV screening out the news at noon, laundry blowing in the western breeze, wind rushing through the autumn leaves, the sweet voice saying come to bed, it's like a whisper dancing in my head. Comes a bittersweet symphony where I can hear the music playing, and I can feel the sunlight of your smile. Baby, could you hold your heartbeat closer to the phone so I can hear the sound of home? Everywhere I turn, every minute, every mile I yearn. There must be something that is driving me. I guess the fire's still alive in me. But in the silence of this lonely room, by the cold light of the rising moon, I start to wonder if it all makes sense. I miss those days of innocence where I can hear the music playing, and I can feel the sunlight of your smile. Baby, could you hold your heartbeat closer to the phone so I can hear the sound of close my eyes, just drifting. Feel my mood start lifting. Think of you when